farming, I use the box adapters. That way I don't have to buy any conduit and charge them for conduit because I didn't have any. Can't carry everything in the van, and so to try to save them a little material money, well, let's face it, PVC conduit is not cheap anyway. None of this is cheap, but anyway, use the box adapters. Had couplings on the ends of them. That way I can reuse it, and they want this to be like close to, you know, on the ground. So there it is. And I'll have a duct seal on this as well. Kind of close it up, help keep moisture out, and then get these joints together. Come out the side and go up to the bell box that'll be up here.